Dank u mevrouw de voorzitter. Het gaat over wat je aangegeven hebt over Ennia en al die problemen daaromheen. En we weten dat het een groot gezamenlijk probleem is van Curaçao en Sint Maarten. Ik weet niet tot in hoeverre je zou kunnen aangeven of vanuit Sint Maarten een bepaalde bereidheid is om dat, laten we zeggen, gezamenlijk op te lossen met Curaçao. En dan in die zin van hoe je tegenaan kijkt, of het in de zin van doorstart is of opheffen. Heb je bepaald beeld daarover? Dank je.
Yes, we just before coming to Parliament, to IPCO, like I mentioned, we had a meeting with the Minister of Finance and the Central Bank of Curaçao and St. Maarten, where I actually posed that question. From what I gathered, there's definitely more than enough willingness on behalf of the government, and particularly the Minister of Finance and the Central Bank, to come to a solution. What I highlight in my presentation is that why does this sort of, for lack of a better term, threat has to be put on the government that is already in that process, has already been investigating this, has already been discussing with Curaçao proposed solutions, and messing with the loan or the debt is certainly not going to help the government help Ennia. So this is where I think it's important, like I mentioned in my speech. Absolutely, this requires attention, but I don't think that we need to hang these loans and what I hear from Aruba and Curaçao, this kind of conditionality that keeps floating after us every year. Another loan matures, another condition is added. Now it's something related to a private company. How much further is this going to go? So I do believe absolutely it needs both our countries' absolute attention. What I think we have to be careful with is whether conditions are being added to loans based on these solutions.